is going on. The masses are angry. They say they don't want fuel price to go beyond 600 naira. That 1,200 naira fuel. No movement. No movement. No movement. No movement. You can see all Marwa people. They are stopping everybody. They say there is no movement again. That they are suffering. They can't be buying fuel 1,200 per liter. It's too much. It's too much. Now, ENDSears Joshua will go block. If not, block ENDSears Joshua. ENDSears Joshua. 1,200 naira is too much. It's too much. You can see no movement in this place. No movement in Paralyze for now. The Okada, the Keke, all the Marwa people, they are blocking everywhere. They say the price of fuel is 1,200. They cannot afford 1,200. No movement. The government of Nigeria, Tinubu should do something to revise the price of fuel.
African stories and catchy designs, news and entertainment at your fingertips. For the pulse of the people, stay tuned to our clips. Stay tuned to our clips. So subscribe today, don't miss a beat. With Njenje, your life feels sweet.